In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Grammarly browser extension to Microsoft Edge on Windows. This will help you improve your grammar and spelling right from your browser. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. It's important to use this particular browser because we're focusing on how to integrate Grammarly specifically with Edge to enhance your writing experience. Once you have Edge open, you'll need to navigate to the page where you can add the Grammarly extension. There are a couple of easy routes to get there. One convenient way is by visiting the official Edge add-ons site and searching for Grammarly for Microsoft Edge. Alternatively, you can head over to Grammarly's own website, as they provide a direct link to the correct version of the extension for Edge. Once you've reached the extension page, you'll see a button that says Get, or it might read Add to Edge or Add Extension, depending on updates or regional settings. Click on that button to begin the process, and when prompted, confirm your choice by clicking on Add Extension. This step is crucial because it allows the extension to install in your browser and start functioning as your writing assistant. After the installation has successfully completed, you should notice a new icon appearing in the toolbar or extension area of Edge. This icon, usually represented by a distinctive green G, signifies that Grammarly is now part of your browser environment. The next step is to make sure Grammarly can assist you with your writing tasks. Click on the Grammarly icon you just installed. You'll need to log into your Grammarly account. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to sign up. Signing in is necessary because the extension needs access to your account to analyze your writing and provide personalized feedback. Rest assured, Grammarly offers a secure and straightforward login process. Once you're logged in, you're all set. Grammarly is now activated and will start working seamlessly across your browser. This means that whenever you're writing in web-based environments such as emails, web forms, or documents, Grammarly will be there to offer real-time suggestions. It checks for grammar, spelling, and even stylistic improvements, making your online communication clearer and more professional. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've equipped your Microsoft Edge browser with a powerful tool to enhance your writing. Anytime you're crafting emails, filling out forms, or drafting documents online, Grammarly will be at your side, ensuring your writing is polished and error-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this extension as valuable a tool as many users around the world do. Happy writing!